still spending hours creating AI videos. And they still look fake. Most AI avatar tools create polished presenters. But audiences want authentic UGC that actually converts. With UGCvideo.ai, I simply create my AI creator, paste my product link, choose a template, and my UGC ad is ready in minutes. It gives us multiple features like AI UGC creators, product URL video, natural skin texture, talking videos, product unboxing, app showcase, commercial use. Now, I am going to show you how to create your own characters and create a video with your character. Okay, so this is my home page. On the left-hand side, we get options like UGC character, UGC ad video, UGC image, UGC video. In UGC, we can paste our product link, and it will create ad video for you in minutes. Isn't it amazing? In UGC image, we can create our image. In UGC video, we can create AI videos. Okay, now let's start with creating my own character. I will click on UGC character and upload my photo. We get various options, which is optional, but you can create based on background story. Here I am creating a demo character of myself. I will add photos of myself and edit, and as you can see, it has created my character. Now I will click on Create With, and it shows me different options as you can see. I will use talking video. Now, I am going to write my script for my video. You can also select the voice and talking style as per your wish. See, it took only minutes to create your video, and I think it will beat Hagen as provides only 5-second videos for free in a single day. But UGCvideo.ai provides you 30 credits, and if you sign up using my referral link, you can get extra bonus. Watch till the end. You will be amazed with the output.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to create a shorts on UGCvideo.ai. It is one of the best tools I got for making ad videos. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to create a shorts on UGC Video.
I hope you liked the video. In case you liked it, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you the next one.